What's up everyone, welcome back to yet another video of Musta's Garage Works. Today we're going outside to the garage to work on 17-inch rims. Why I'm doing this inside the house because it's extremely noisy outside. Every time I want to film, these guys making a noise, so yeah, that's the reason why I'm starting the intro of inside the home. So yeah, let's go. So these are the wheels that we will be working on today. Those two still have to, the tires still have to be removed on those ones. As you guys can see that these are layers upon paint on these rims. This one I already sanded down manually because I do not have like a orbital sand or anything. I'm doing manually with my hands over there. So yeah, there's the paint stripper, my paintbrush, my chisel and my hammer. The hammer and the chisel is for this to remove these weights over there and the valve stem. So yeah, we're going to do that right now. Stay tuned guys. So what I've did here, I've used 80 grit sandpaper and then I've sanded down in order for the paint stripper to bite into it. This step isn't really necessary, but I've just gave it a try because I've read on the forums and I've seen some videos that guys are doing it, so I've just gave it a try. So guys, if you do decide using paint stripper, please ensure that you wear your respiratory mask because this stuff is extremely harmful and it smells bad. So yeah, prevention is better than cure. So this is my first time using paint stripper. So I applied a light coat just to see what this paint stripper does and how it works. And then you guys will see in the later stage that I do apply a thicker coat as well. So I've noticed when you use plastic bags and you cover it, does actually help a lot to I don't know how it works, but it evaporates the paint stripper and then it like eats into it better. So yeah, that's the reason why I've applied plastic over the rims. Then I just use the metal applicator and then I scrape it off with that. You guys can probably use any sparkle tool or anything. And I also found that using a wire brush actually helps a lot. So guys, this is the following day. I've applied 3 coats of paint stripper on that note. Please ensure that you guys wear protective gear. I suggest wearing a face shield, long sleeve top, and just ensure that you guys are protected, because a little bit fell on my arm. Let me just see if I can show you guys, and it's burnt. So you guys can see that mark there, burnt. So yeah, please ensure that you wear protective gear when you're there. So yeah, let me just unveil this rims here real quick and get it done. So yeah, it actually came out. It actually stripped a lot of the paint this time around. So yeah, all I have to do now is scrape it off. Check it out. Just scrape it off now and rinse it off and get it done. But as I said guys, please ensure that you wear gloves, everything covered. I'm gonna get it sorted real quick. Currently I've scraped off most of it. It didn't take off all the paint, but you're going to have to do some sanding, as you guys can see here. Like all that bits and pieces that are still left, I want to get rid of all of them. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use the 80 grit sandpaper. Now I'm gonna use my sanding block, my file, and 320 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna sand that last with 320 grit. The reason for the file is for this. I'm gonna try to get all of this edges and scratches out, most of it out. So yeah, stay tuned. Still have to do those two there. I'm gonna paint strip it now while I'm busy with those two. just completed sanding these two wheels of wheel. Those two over there still need a lot of work to be done, but I'm just going to complete this two just to conclude the video for you guys. So yeah, I've sanded this is my pride right here. This took a lot of time scratching out all those paint in there. There was like 5 layers of paint on there. And these bits I can't get out, but I will be applying a high build primer, which is MS primer. Yeah, you get MS and H, so I'm going to be using MS primer, and then sand it out with 600, and then you guys will see when I apply the primer and the paint as well.
The next day.
guys, all done. Cleared up. I applied 3 coats of clear. Oh, a little bit of imperfections here and there. I can't really show it. It's not really showing on camera, but it looks tenfold better than what it was. So yeah, these two will be going on the E30. Still have to do the other two, as you guys know, but I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to detail to those ones. I'm gonna call it a day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.